looking for an apartment.
Look, Chloe, this ad on my phone looks great.
Really? Which neighborhood is the apartment in, Thomas?
It's near downtown. The rent isn't very expensive.
That sounds interesting. How many rooms does it have?
It has a large living room, a bedroom, and a modern kitchen.
Awesome. Is there a balcony to have coffee on, too?
Yes, a nice little balcony with a pretty view of a park.
Perfect. I hate dark apartments. Is it bright?
The windows are large, so yes, it gets a lot of light.
Are pets allowed? You know, for my cat?
The landlord says yes. That's excellent news, isn't it?
Oh, yes, great. Do you think we can visit it soon?
I'll call the agency right now to set up an appointment.
Ask if we can visit on Saturday morning. I don't work then.
Hello, is it possible to see the apartment on Saturday?
What is he saying? Is the place still available?
Yes, it's perfect. The appointment is set for 10 o'clock.
Thanks, Thomas. You're the best. I'll get our paperwork ready.
Good idea. You have to be fast to get the good places.
I really hope we like this place. I'm stressed.
Don't worry, my friend. We'll find the perfect home.
Yes, you're right. We need to stay positive during this search.
Exactly. Should we take the car or walk there on Saturday?
Let's walk. It's very close to here. It's more convenient.
All right, sounds good. I can't wait for Saturday's visit.
Yes, fingers crossed that it's the right apartment.
Visiting the apartment.
Let's go in, Chloe. It's number 24.
Oh, the building entrance is very clean.
Look, the living room is really huge and bright.
Beautiful. The large windows let in a lot of sunlight.
Come look at the kitchen. It looks very modern to me.
Oh yes, there's room for our big white fridge.
And look over here. This is the balcony with the park view.
It's super quiet. My cat will love napping here.
On the other hand, the bedroom seems a bit small, doesn't it?
A little, but our bed can fit easily against the wall.
True. And what do you think of the bathroom?
It's clean, but there is no bathtub, just a shower.
That's fine. A shower is more eco-friendly, you know.
You're right. Tell me, does the heating work well here?
The landlord says everything was replaced last year.
That's a very good thing for the winter. What about the rent?
The price is exactly what we wanted to spend.
It's perfect. I think we found our hidden gem.
Yes, I really like this apartment too. So should we hand in our application right now?
Sure. I have all the papers in my black bag.
Great. You really thought of everything. You're the best.
Thanks. I hope the landlord chooses us.
With an application this complete, it's almost a sure thing.
Fingers crossed. Should we celebrate at the corner cafe?
Oh yes, excellent idea. I'll buy you a nice croissant.
Moving day.
Come on, let's do this. It's the big moving day.
Yes, but the truck is really huge. I'm a little scared.
Don't worry, I'll drive carefully. What should we start with?
Let's take the big blue boxes from the living room first.
Whew, this one is heavy. What's inside it?
Those are all my cookbooks and my dictionaries.
Ah, now I understand why my arms hurt.
Put it down there. Watch out for the big mirror right behind you.
I promise I'll be careful. Where is your cat, by the way?
He is safe in his carrier at my mom's house.
That's a very good idea. He hates the sound of boxes.
Yes. Look, the coffee table still needs to be loaded.
Okay, I'll get it. Can you carry these chairs?
Sure, they're light. I'll put them in the back of the truck.
Perfect. We're packing the space well. We make a good team.
True. Hey, did you remember to bring the keys to the place?
Yes, they're in my jacket pocket. Everything is under control.
Good thing you're here. I'm starting to get tired.
That's normal. Should we take a quick 5-minute break?
Oh, yes, please. I'll go get some water bottles.
Thanks. After that, we'll close up the truck and go.
Our old life is here, but the new apartment is waiting for us.
It's the start of a great adventure in our new neighborhood.
Absolutely. I can't wait to unpack the boxes there.
Me too, but first we have to unload everything.
Come on, break's over. Let's finish this box and hit the road.
Furniture shopping.
This empty apartment is a bit sad. Let's go to the store.
Yes, we absolutely need a sofa for our living room.
Look at this one. It's neon yellow. That's original, right?
Neon yellow? You're kidding. It hurts my eyes.
Okay. What about this nice gray fabric sofa instead?
It's perfect. It looks so comfortable.
Great, we'll take it. Now, let's look for a coffee table.
I really like this round, light wood table with black legs.
It's beautiful, but it's a bit too big for the room.
Do you think so? But we can put our coffee cups on it.
True, but this one is square and has secret drawers.
Secret drawers? That's perfect for hiding the remotes.
Exactly. Do we need to buy a large wardrobe too?
No, there are already built-in closets in our bedroom.
That's excellent news for our budget.
On the other hand, we absolutely need chairs for the kitchen.
I saw some very modern red chairs over there. Come look.
They look nice, but are they comfortable?
Sit on one to test it. So, what's your verdict?
Oh, yes, they are perfect. Let's get 4 of them, okay?
Sounds good. I'll go find a sales clerk to order all this.
Ask if home delivery is free, too.
Good idea. Our car is too small for the sofa.
Definitely. We can't put a sofa on the roof.
That would be funny to see, but a bit dangerous.
Go find the clerk. Our living room is going to look beautiful.
For sure. I can't wait to get our new furniture.
At the train station.
What a pleasure to leave our furniture behind and go on vacation.
Yes, we worked hard. Look at the big departure board.
Our train to the coast is at 1:40, right?
That's correct. But I don't see the platform number yet.
Don't stress, we're early. Do you have the tickets?
Yes, they're saved right on my cell phone.
Awesome. Do you want to buy a magazine for the trip?
Oh, yes, and a small bottle of cold water, too, please.
Okay, I'll go to the kiosk. Will you watch our 2 big suitcases?
No problem. I'll stay here and keep an eye on the luggage.
I'm back. Here, I got some chocolate cookies, too.
Oh, you're sweet. Look, platform number 5 just popped up.
Perfect. Let's grab our bags. The train is pulling up.
Wait, are we sure we are in the right train car?
Yes, we have seats 62 and 63.
Ah, wonderful. They are window seats.
I love watching the scenery go by during the ride.
Me too. It relaxes my mind after that big move.
Did you remember to bring the keys to our new apartment?
Yes, of course. They're hidden at the very bottom of my purse.
Phew, you relieve my mind. I'm always afraid of losing keys.
Don't worry, I've got it covered. The train is moving.
And we're off. The trip will take 3 hours.
That's perfect for reading your book and eating our cookies.
Absolutely. Here's to vacation, sun, and relaxation.
Yes, I really can't wait to hear the sound of the waves.
At the beach.
Finally here. The sand feels so warm under my feet.
It's beautiful. The sea air feels really good.
Let's set up our big blue umbrella right here near the water.
Good idea. Give me this sunscreen, please, Thomas.
Here you go. Don't forget it or you'll look like a tomato.
Very funny. You put some on your nose and shoulders, too.
Done. Look at the waves. They are perfect today.
Are you going swimming right now, or do you want to tan a bit?
I'm going to swim for a while. Are you coming in the water with me?
It's a bit cold at first.
I'm going in slowly.
Come on in. After the move, it's the best reward.
You're right. It actually feels great.
I told you so. Look, there are some little brown fish.
Oh, yes, they are swimming fast around your legs. That's cute.
Watch out. Here comes a big wave. Hold on to my arm.
I swallowed some salt water, but that was really fun.
Should we go back to the beach to make a big sandcastle?
Yes, and we can use my yellow bucket to make the towers.
Perfect. I'll go get some wet sand near the water's edge.
I'm starting to get hungry after all this activity.
Me too. The ice cream truck right over there looks great.
Oh, yes. I want chocolate and vanilla ice cream.
Deal. I'll go buy our 2 cones.
Thanks, Thomas. This day at the beach is truly magical.
It's true. The vacation is starting in the best way.
Definitely. Let's eat this ice cream before it melts.
At the movies.
What a great idea to go to the movies tonight.
Yes, it's perfect to end this beautiful day.
Did you see the poster for that new action movie over there?
Oh no, no fights tonight. I prefer a romantic comedy.
A comedy? Okay, but only if we get popcorn.
Obviously, a large bucket of sweet popcorn to share.
Deal. I'll go buy the tickets at the machine.
Get seats right in the middle of the theater. The view is better.
Done. We are in row number 8, seats 10 and 11.
Great. Smelling the popcorn is making me hungry already. Let's hurry.
Look at all these people. Good thing we're early.
Let's go into theater number 4. It's just to the right.
Wow, the red velvet seats look very comfortable.
Sit here. Give me some popcorn, please.
Here, help yourself. The commercials are starting. The movie's about to begin.
Turn off your cell phone, Thomas, so you don't disturb anyone.
Yes, you're right. I'll put it on silent right now.
Look, the lights are going down. Shh, the movie is finally starting.
The main actor is really funny in this scene.
True, the way he dances is completely ridiculous.
I love this part. The story is really well written.
Me too. I don't regret our choice tonight at all.
Phew, the ending was so touching. I almost cried.
That's sweet. It was a great comedy. I laughed a lot.
The lights are coming back on. Shall we walk home and talk about the movie?
Yes, let's walk a bit under the stars. It was a great night. At the pool.
After yesterday's popcorn, a swim is definitely necessary.
You're right. A little exercise will do us a lot of good.
The locker rooms are this way. Let's meet by the pool.
Sounds good. Don't forget to put on your mandatory swim cap.
Here I am. The water in this Olympic pool looks good.
It's at a good temperature. Come on, shall we dive in together?
1, 2, 3, splash. Oh yes, it's really perfect.
Want to race to the end of the lane?
Watch out. I'm very fast today. You're going to lose.
We'll see about that. The last one there buys the fruit juice.
Let's go. Wait, you cheated. You started before me.
Not at all. You're just a bit too slow, my dear Thomas.
Come on, I'm catching up. Look at my pro swimming technique.
Wow, you swim the crawl like a dolphin. That's impressive.
Thanks, but you won by a second. Congrats on your victory.
Thank you, thank you. I guess I really earned my fresh orange juice.
A promise is a promise. Should we do a few more laps more slowly?
Yes, let's do breaststroke to relax our tired muscles.
Look, there's a big water slide over there. Should we try it?
Oh yes, I love those. It's super fun, just like being kids.
The turns are really slippery. I almost flipped over.
That was awesome. My head is completely wet now.
Mine too. I'm starting to get cold out of the water, aren't you?
Yes, let's get out of the pool. Let's go get our warm towels.
Good idea. A nice hot shower is waiting for us in the locker room.
Perfect. After that, we'll go have our drinks at the pool cafe.
At the gym.
The swim warmed us up well. Ready for the gym?
Absolutely. I want to run a bit on the treadmill today.
Look at all these machines. There's really a lot to choose from.
Let's start with 10 minutes on the bike to wake up our legs.
Good idea. I'm setting my bike's difficulty to level 5.
Already? You're very brave. I'm staying on level 3.
Come on, you can do it, Chloe. Put on some upbeat music to help you.
You're right. It's much easier with a good song.
Whew, the bike is done. Should we do dumbbells now?
Yes, but pick light weights. Don't hurt your back.
Don't worry, I've got this. Look at my muscles, they're working.
You look ridiculous when you make that big champion face.
That's the face of hard work. What are you doing next?
I'm going to do some ab exercises on the big mat.
Can I do the exercises with you? We can encourage each other.
Sure. 1, 2, 3. Lift your legs high up.
This is hard. It burns a little everywhere. Are you used to this?
Yes, I do them often at home in the morning. That's the secret.
Great job. You're in great shape. I'm impressed by your energy.
Thanks, Thomas. Come on, 3 more reps and we're done.
Whew, finally finished. I'm exhausted. I'm sweating a lot.
Me too. My face is completely red. That was a good workout.
We worked hard today. I'm proud of our motivation.
True. Shall we go drink a big glass of cold water now?
Oh yes, I'm very thirsty. My bottle is completely empty.
Fill it up quick. Let's get home fast to rest.
Relaxing at home after sports.
What a joy to be back in our dear apartment after all that exercise.
Oh, yes. My legs feel like jelly. I'm exhausted.
I'll make a nice hot mint tea for both of us.
Thanks, Thomas. That's sweet. A nice shower and I'm lying down.
Our new gray sofa is truly perfect for a nap.
True. It was a good idea to buy it. It's so soft.
Here you go. Your tea is nice and hot. Be careful not to burn yourself.
Thank you so much. This mint smell is very relaxing.
See? Your cat is already sitting comfortably on your lap.
Yes, he knows it's time for cuddles and quiet time.
What an active life between the move, the beach, and the gym.
True, we never stop, but the two of us make a great team.
Absolutely. Hey, should we order pizzas tonight to reward ourselves?
Oh, yes. What an excellent idea. A large 4-cheese pizza?
Perfect. No need to cook tonight. Total relaxation.
Can we watch the next episode of our favorite show on TV?
Yes, plus the new episodes came out this week.
Great. Pass me the remote that's in the secret drawer.
Here it is. In the end, this coffee table is really useful.
I told you so. You see, I always have good ideas.
True, I admit it. This place is wonderful thanks to you.
Thanks, Thomas. I really feel at home here. It's nice.
Me too. We're tired, but it's a good kind of tired.
Exactly. Turn on the TV. The relaxing evening is finally starting.
Enjoy the pizza in advance and get some good rest, Chloe.
Thanks. Good rest to you too, my dear workout partner.